Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, in the full course. Today we are diving into the secret sauce of YouTube success, the 3C. If you want to earn success, then you need to follow this 3C: the constancy, content, and community. Constancy. Imagine your favorite TV show. Why do you love it? Because every week you know a new episode will be there waiting for you. That's the power of constancy on YouTube. By uploading regularly, you train your audience to expect new content and keep them coming back for more. Constancy is also helps YouTube algorithm. The more you upload, the more the platform recognize your channel and promotes it to viewers. Find a schedule you can realistically maintain and stick to it. We have created 2 videos about content and video upload schedule. So if you don't understand, fear not. In future you have a specific video so you can understand it better. Now we are going to move on to the content. Your content is what sets you apart. Is the reason viewers hit subscriber and keep hitting the notification bell. High quality content that resonates with your target audience is key. Whether it's informative tutorials, jokes, or anything, your content should be deliver value and entertainment to your niche. Here's the secret: experiment, try different formats, see what clicks with your audience, and define your content strategy over time. Now move on to the community. So community building is important for your YouTube channel. YouTube is not one-way street. It's about building a community where you connect and interact with your viewers. Response to comment, answer question in thoughtful details, and host live stream to chat directly with your audience. A strong community fosters loyalty and makes viewers feel value. They will not only keep coming back for more, but also recommend your channel to others, helping you grow organically. The magic of 3Cs. These 3Cs work together in beautiful harmony. Constant upload allow you to constantly deliver content your community craves. Engaging content keeps your community glued their screen and hitting subscribe. A strong community provides feedback and help you refine your content strategy, ensuring your channel keeps evolving. Call to action. So are you ready to crack the YouTube code? Focus on constancy, content, and community. Watch your channel flourish. Now get out there, create, connect, and grow your YouTube family. If you have any question, then comment in this video. I'm going to try answer your question. So guys, I hope you understand this video and learn something new. If you learn something new, then subscribe this channel and like this video. See you guys in next video.